All right, here we go. There it goes.
Oh, shoot.
That's all right. Push it down with your hand. See? More. Higher. No, don't pull it that way. Just push it down.
Like this?
Uh-huh. Rock it back and forth. And watch your feet, because that'll come down. Another option is cut right here. If that doesn't work, cut right there. And it'll fall automatically. Come on, cut. I'm trying to teach you. Cut. Cut. Never go under that tree like that. It'll fall for real. Hit that little corner. Right, uh-huh. No, higher. Uh-huh. Right there. When you cut there, that point will fall down, taking the leverage off the tip of the tree, and it'll just fall. See? And then now, pick that up and bring it towards you. Bring it towards you.
Pick it up.
Get your butt on this side. Turn around. Now pick it up this way. Now walk to me. Walk to me. Come on now. Walk to me. Walk to me. Walk to me. Keep walking. You got to pick it up. Don't drag it. Keep going. There you go. Boom. Now cut it into a lot of pieces and haul it off. Got it? No, you think I'm kidding? You're going to leave that there?
No.
All right then. Get to work. Is that it for the video?
Yeah.
Okay.